Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are sharing our nursery organization tips. Okay, so to start off, we have these two under the bed storage bins here. These actually, I have 3 of them. They used to fit under like my normal bed, but I can only fit 2 under the crib, obviously, because they're smaller. So these I'm just using to put in like his old clothes and old blankets and stuff that we're not using anymore, that we're either gonna keep or sell or donate or give to someone else that's having a baby, whatever. So we're just keeping them in these bins until we decide what we're gonna do with them. So then up here on his dresser, this is just a clear plastic bin that came with his piggy bank, and we actually just threw it up here and put like all his soothers in here that now we know he doesn't really use. So there's like soother clips and soothers. We also had some like teething toys in there. Those are all like in with his toys now that he uses them. But this was kind of a great way to put all those in one spot when we were deciding what to do with them. So here in his dresser, we have everything pretty much organized, but these organizers are from IKEA, and so we've used them to organize like small things like socks. These are swimsuits. These are those little tiny baby mittens, and then these are actually bigger socks that we've kind of stuck in the back that we've put in the drawer just so we have them ready. So then over here we have all his blankets like in one of these bins that you can get at like Marshall's or Winners or Home Sense, places like that. I think it's called Home Goods in the States. You can get those pretty much anywhere. And then these IKEA, I think they're called Calyx or something like that. These are great for organizing. You can put them on their side like this, or you can tip them up, and just make sure that you obviously attach them to the wall so they can't tip. So we've obviously put all his books in here, so they're all just in order of color just because I thought that would look cool. But obviously you can use this for toys or like anything really. You could even use this for clothes, I'm sure. We bought 4 of the little like basket bin drawer things that you can buy and started separating things into it. This will obviously kind of grow with him as he gets older, so it'll switch out to like toys or I don't know, like craft stuff or whatever he wants it to be for. So these are just some extra toys that we keep upstairs to keep him busy if we're doing something in his room. Most of his toys are downstairs. These are all his muslin blankets. This is a bunch of stuffed animals. And then this is kind of just random stuff for now. So in here there's like, this is the blanket we use to take his monthly photos, and then just a bunch of receiving blankets because I don't really use those that often. So then for clothes that don't fit him yet, we actually just got these really cheap like little tote things at Walmart, I believe it was. They're like $5 or $6 at like back to school time. And what I did was like just separated them by sizes. Obviously now it's a little harder because he's bigger, but when he was a newborn we had like 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 kind of thing. Now he's like in 6 to 12, 6 to 9 month clothes, so it's all changed around. But I have everything separated into sizing. Like these are really big things. This is kind of like things that we just want to keep. Same with like, we'll stack our extra diapers in here as well. And then underneath we have like the same kind of thing. So we have like extra diaper bags, and these are like extra toys that he's not old enough for yet that we were given as gifts, things like that. So then this is kind of where I had to get a little more creative with organizing, because this is kind of a lot of like smaller things. So what I did here was I had these like little clear bins. You can get them at like the dollar store or like Walmart. I believe these are from Canadian Tire here in Canada. And we just put like random stuff in it. So this top one is like literally random stuff. So there's like the first aid bags, and there's like just garbage bags in case we clean or something, like Ziploc bags, the like HydroSense nasal care things. These are like PPTPs and nasal aspirators, so it's like all just random stuff that we didn't want to like obviously get lost or get like have him get into, so we put those into the clear bins. And then that's the same with this. So this is all like sample size stuff that we put all together, so it's all there ready in case we need it. And then I like to separate his diapers into these bins just so I know like how much I have left. So obviously right now I know that all I have left is these and then that unopened sleeve in the closet. So what I do is just put all his diapers in here. These are his like regular daytime diapers, and then these are his nighttime diapers on the side. This isn't the best way I like to organize. Oh, he's sneezing. These aren't like super organized. I wish I had like another way of organizing all this stuff, but this is like all his bath stuff. So creams and shampoos and bath things. So I kind of just have them all like laid out on the shelf. And then this is kind of a little more like random diaper stuff. So these are extra wipes. These are swim diapers. Just some like paper towel or toilet paper in case we needed it. These are like the little scented, ooh, it's falling. These are like the little scented munchkin things that you can put in the diaper genie. I don't have a diaper genie, but I put one of these in the bottom of his garbage can. And then these are his little garbage bags that we use. And then in the back, I actually just stack all of his wipes to keep those all back there. And then again, I know how many we have left, and if we're running to Costco, I can see how many we have and we can grab more. And then this is just a little bin that we got as part of a gift at the baby shower, but I believe it's from Indigo here in Canada. And so just in here I have random things. So some boogie wipes and these like Dove wipes, and if I had other like random wipes, I'd throw them in there just to have them separated from the normal wipes. And then this is all kind of accessories that don't fit him yet, because right now it is the winter, so all his like actual winter stuff is downstairs for if we're going out. Obviously it's easier to get him ready from downstairs. So this is all stuff that's too big. So like he has like little Nike shoes, some little slippers, like hats for the summer. This was his little Christmas hat. There's a belt in here, little cowboy boots. So I kind of just keep them all in one basket so that I know where they are and they don't get lost. So again, I like to keep things kind of categorized so I know exactly where to look when I'm looking for something. So yeah, that is our nursery organization. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!